Hello guys and welcome back to yet another vlog. Yes, we are fortunate enough to check out the Triumph Tiger 800 XCX. It is a 2018 model which has run almost 17,000 kilometers. We have the bike for a very limited time, so we are just going to have a first-hand experience of the bike. I'll be sharing my experience, my observation and my feedback about this bike in this vlog. So let's start with it. The Triumph Tiger is no doubt one of the best bikes in the world of adventure riding thanks to its capabilities, accessibility and the practicality. So let's discuss the quality and fit and finish of the bike. Being priced at around 16 lakhs on road when launched, a bit pricey according to me, but to match that, the level of detailing is quite good, so is the paint quality. Even the plastics used on the bike are of excellent quality and no visible panel caps. The welding job on the subframe has been done neatly too. The switchgear quality is solid and the buttons have tactile feedback. The hand grips are heated and seats too are of top-notch levels. Speaking of comfort level, the Tiger will never disappoint you. The ergonomics are well suited to all sizes of riders, all thanks to the foot peg position and tall and wide handlebars. You can move around the seat a bit while riding due to the large and wide size of the seat. This goes for the pillion seat too. Saddling position is perfect too and is further complemented by the angular fuel tank which gives a good support for legs during hardcore off-roading. The WP suspension, which is adjustable for rebound and dampening, helps you glide over through rough terrain and patches. Regarding the performance, as mentioned in specifications, it's an inline 3-cylinder which produces 94 bhp and peak torque of 79 Nm. It has a 6-speed gearbox that transfers the power to the rear wheel via chain drive. The engine's tractability impresses you the most as you can accelerate from the speeds of 40 km/h in the 6th gear and still the engine is never feel stressed or lacks power. This is possible as 90% of the torque kicks in at as low as 2500 rpm. The power delivery is linear and smoother. There's a nice punch each time you open the throttle even when the bike is loaded with over 200 kgs. The bike pulls every time you twist the accelerator. The bike is stable and planted in a straight line and in wet conditions too, which is also possible due to the electronics the bike has to offer. It's not that great of a cornering machine, but once you hit the off-roads, the Tiger feels completely at home. The bike came with Bridgestones, however the recommended tire for it are the Pirelli Scorpion Rally tires, which are pricey but helps you extract the most out of the machine. The Tiger XCX which we are reviewing is the top of the line variant and comes with all the bells and whistles. The bike came with new instrument cluster which shows plenty of information and the data on the cluster can be changed using a 5-way joystick and a menu button on the switchgear. You can also change the ABS, traction control and riding mode levels. The bike is also equipped with cruise control and heated grips. It is equipped with LED lights. The suspension system is adjustable for rebound and compression. The seat height can be adjusted by 20 meters as it gets a 2-position seat mechanism. The brake and clutch levers are adjustable too. But unfortunately this Tiger doesn't get tubeless tires, which would have made a complete package for the people who go on isolated trails. So what's our verdict on this bike? The best way to define an adventure bike is through the presence of good ground clearance, off-roading capabilities and incredible comfort. And this bike ticks all the boxes. You can spend long hours on saddle and the performance aspect is well taken care by the engine. So if you have that kind of a budget, it's really a no-brainer as this is a tried and tested bike and is recommended by most of the experts in the biking community. So this was it for today. Next time I'll make sure to give you a proper review. Until then, take care and have a great day. And also do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And do share it with your friends. Until next time, take care.